In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use your library in Microsoft Copilot. To get started, open Microsoft Copilot on your device and sign into your Microsoft account. Make sure you're using the account where your chats, images, and other AI-generated content have been saved. If you use more than one account, it's worth taking a second to confirm you're in the right one, because your library content is connected to that specific sign-in. Once you're inside Copilot, look for the navigation menu and click or tap Library. This is the area where Copilot stores your saved content, making it much easier to come back to previous work instead of starting from scratch every time. Depending on your version of Copilot, the layout may look slightly different, but the library option should still be available in the main navigation area. After opening the library, take a moment to browse through your saved chats, generated images, and any other content you've chosen to keep. This section is useful for organizing your ideas, reviewing previous requests, and finding material you may want to reuse later. If you've been using Copilot regularly, your library can become a helpful archive of past work. When you find the item you want, select it to open and review it. This lets you look back at a conversation, revisit an image, or check any saved output in more detail. Reviewing saved content can be especially helpful if you're continuing a project, trying to recover an idea, or comparing different versions of something you created earlier. If needed, continue the conversation or make changes. For chats, you may be able to pick up where you left off and ask follow-up questions without re-explaining everything. For other saved content, you can review it and decide whether it still works for your current needs or if you want to refine it further. This is one of the biggest advantages of using the library feature, since it helps you build on past work efficiently. If your version of Copilot includes search or filter options, use those tools to quickly find specific content. This can save a lot of time, especially if your library contains many saved items. Searching by keywords or narrowing results by content type can make the experience much more manageable. Finally, make a habit of saving new chats or images to your library so you can access them later. This is a simple way to keep important ideas, useful responses, and creative work organized in one place for future use. With that, you now know how to access, review, and manage your library in Microsoft Copilot.